Good day, my name is Patricia de Albanian from DS Pharmacy. After watching the video about having a supply of petroleum, I realized how dependent we are on it in our daily lives, from transportation to electricity and even food distribution. If this situation really happens, the first thing I would do for myself and the family is to secure basic needs, especially food, water, and safety. I would make sure we have enough supplies at home and plan how to use them wisely. I would also talk to my family and create a simple plan like limiting unnecessary travel and staying together as much as possible. I would do this because in times of crisis, being prepared and united as a family is very important for survival. One thing I am willing to sacrifice or change in my lifestyle is my dependence on convenience, especially using transportation for short distances. I'm willing to walk more, use a bicycle, and reduce the use of gadgets that consume electricity. I will also learn to live more simply like conserving energy and avoiding waste, even if it's difficult. I know these changes are necessary to adapt to the situation. After realizing these possible crises, the lesson I learned is that life is unpredictable and we should not take our resources for granted. As a student, I learned the importance of being responsible not just in academics but also in how I use resources and prepare for the future. This situation also taught me the value of discipline, adaptability, and helping others, especially during hard times. Overall, this video opened my eyes to the importance of being prepared, responsible, and mindful of how we live our daily lives. Thank you and good day.